Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up the settings app, which you can either find it right here, the gear icon located at the top, or just straight in your app tray right here. So once you open up settings, scroll all the way down into general management, and from here you'll find reset and then factory data reset right here. Now you have a message that performing this will remove every data from your device, so that includes Google accounts, apps, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, basically everything that you have put there yourself, installed or downloaded, and the only thing that will remain is just the stock apps that come preloaded with the device. So either back them up before you begin, or if you don't care, just disregard this message, and you can then progress by tapping on reset and delete all. And the process will begin. Now it will take a couple of minutes, just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.